Okay, so again, here's the point slope form of a line. If you don't have this in your notes already, please put it in your notes. Make sure you label it as point slope form, because there are other forms for the equation of a line. Again, the y and the x that don't have a number, they stay just y and x. Nothing replaces them. The x1 and y1 are replaced by whatever point you know is on the line, the numbers. And m is our slope. So we have an example down here. Okay, y minus the y from our point was 6. So notice they replaced it right there. Equals m. This is our m. Our slope was 2/3. And x minus the x from our point, which was 4. That is how you put this together, and we're going to go ahead and do an example. Okay, write the equation in point slope form. Very important that you notice, because again, there are other forms of an equation of a line. This is point slope form, so then I would immediately go to my notes and write down what point slope form looks like, so I make sure I use the right form. Passes through the point -3, -2, and has a slope of 5. So again, our first step is to substitute into our general form the information we've been given. X and y stay the same, but the x1 and y1 get replaced by the x and y from our point. So we have y minus the y from our point was -2 equals m, our slope. What was our slope? They said the slope was 5. Times x minus the x from our point. What was the x from our point? -3. Next, we need to simplify, and really the only thing you can simplify here is minus the negative. Minus a negative, remember, becomes plus. Same here, minus a negative becomes plus. So in simplified form, we have y plus 2 equals 5 times x plus 3. They wanted the answer in point slope form, so we are done. It should look like this if it's in point slope form. Okay, here's another. Write the equation of a line with a slope of 4. Remember, slope is m. And going through the point 1, -3. So that's our x1 and our y1. They want it in point slope form. So again, I go to my notes and look up point slope form. And it looks like this. Replace the values they gave me. So y minus y1 is the y from my point, which was -3. Equals m. M is my slope, they said was 4, times x minus the x from my point, which was 1. And then I simplify. Again, the only thing really I can simplify is this minus a negative becomes plus. That's just a rule of calculating. Okay, and there we have it. That is the point slope form of the equation of a line with a slope of 4 and passing through the point 1, -3.